You searched how to buy shares of Mira Pharmaceuticals Inc. Mira Pharmaceuticals Inc. is a biotechnology company developing therapeutics and early clinical assets. It trades on NASDAQ under the ticker Mira. This is an educational overview only and not financial advice, so do your own research before investing. To buy Mira, you need a brokerage account, and I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you will normally need to verify your account with an identity document, and you must add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker MIRA to find the listing. Make sure you select the result labeled Mira Pharmaceuticals Inc. to ensure it is the correct stock. On the asset page, review basic company information and the price chart to confirm the listing. Check the company name, NASDAQ listing, and the Mira ticker before proceeding to buy. Click the Invest or Buy button, enter the amount you want to invest, and review the order details carefully. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed as a market order when the market opens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After your purchase, the new position will appear in your portfolio. A soft call to action. The link to eToro is in the description if you want to open an account and follow the same steps.